Hi, I'm Margot, and I just wanted to let you know how happy I am with my new yard. We had this backyard was full of grass. We have 3 dogs, and it was just always a mess. And I said, let's just call Dave and see what he can do for us. So we called Dave, and he came out and gave us some wonderful ideas, and we said, okay, let us know what you think is best, and he did, and we just totally agreed, and we're so happy because now our yard is carefree, the dogs love it, and we even kept a little patch of grass so that the dogs could feel more comfortable about pottying there. All in all, and you know, David's work crew is just fabulous. They came in every day early, not too early, but just perfect timing. They did their work. They were so sweet, wonderful fellows, and so they did such a great job. I never had a worry. They cleaned up every day before they left. So, you know, all in all, it just couldn't have been a better experience, and I'm very grateful.